Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a testing video. I'm going to be using some very affordable straighteners that I got from B&M. I'm going to just do half of my hair. Now you guys probably might know that I have naturally very curly hair. This is my hair just after it's been blow dried. So it's not necessarily curly, but I mean I don't know how well it'll come up on camera. It's very frizzy and it's definitely got lots of kinks like in the underneath and the back of it. So I'm going to do two parts of this video like you can see there. I'm going to do testing it on kind of frizzy kinky hair. And then I'm also going to do a part 2 where I'm going to test it on my mum's hair. My mum has got, it's quite short but it's very curly hair. So I'm going to do like 2 parts of this video. Because a lot of people don't necessarily have curly hair, but when they've blow dried it, tends to go a bit frizzy and they want some straighteners that will just straighten it out and make it not frizzy. So this is a video for you girls and guys. And then part 2 will be for people who genuinely have like really freaking curly hair. So that's the plan, guys. So I'm going to do this side of my hair. And I'm just going to do one side so that we can literally see what they look like next to each other. So the straighteners that I have got today are by ELLE. And I got these from B&M. This is what the straighteners look like. I have taken them out because I wanted to just be ready to start filming. This is what they look like. I mean, obviously when I saw these I was like, oh yes, they are so cute. Now, they do feel quite cheap, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you do have to squeeze them down quite tight to get them totally flat. I'm not sure, I'm not expecting these to be any good. I mean, you will pay like 200 quid for a decent pair of straighteners, so I'm not expecting anything massive from these straighteners, I'm going to be honest. But as some of you guys know, I have moved and I didn't bring any straighteners with me, so I thought, you know what, it's not a complete waste for me to buy them because one, I can get a video out of them, and two, I can use them if I decide I want to straighten my hair before I bring my straighteners down. So it's all good. So yeah, I am going to just get straight into it. Where have I put my clip? See, I was all prepared, but I don't know where my clip is. Also, what do you guys think of my little background? I really like it. That little dream catcher up there I got from B&M, I think it's super cute. And then there's my fire and all that. And then Jasmine's butt! Yay! Right, so I'm also going to see how long this takes. So let me start timing it. So it's 5:10. Now, it wouldn't normally take me longer than probably between 10 and 15 minutes to do the whole of my head. Look at that hair that's broken off there, how much shorter it is than the rest. That is crazy. Right, let's see how we get on with this. They didn't take long to heat up. There isn't anything to say like when they're ready to use or anything like that. I don't have a super long, the lead's not super long, although I am quite far away from the socket, so I can't really complain about that, to be fair. Okay, not doing too bad so far. I'm interested to see whether they get rid of the frizz, because it's alright sort of straightening the hair, but will they get rid of the frizz? Some of you girls out there will know what I'm talking about. I have very frizzy hair. Right, so I feel like we can see definite kinks in there, can't we? So... Ow! Just like grabbed my scalp then. Well done, Sam. Good job. I mean, it is straightening. I feel like it's straightening, but I don't think it's getting rid of the frizz, you know. I'm not sure. I feel like it looks frizzy then. It's a shame that I don't have my other straighteners to compare two lots of straighteners to, if that makes sense. But I mean, it is straightening the hair, like it's straightening it. My god guys, it's really hot. I'm sweating. So I'm expecting this to be done by like 7 minutes past. Not 7 minutes past. 17 minutes past. Oh, I haven't been spraying it, have I? I always forget. I'm trying to protect my hair because I do so many bad things to it. Doesn't feel like it has an incredible grab when I'm doing it. Like it's pulling through really easily even though I'm pressing down quite hard. But I mean, it's doing the job. It's definitely hot. Burning my hand. I'm just scared of burning myself with these because I've burnt my scalp somehow. I don't think I've ever done that before with straighteners. So that's a bit weird, but I just think we pay so much money for things, don't we? I don't know if I've even gone over all of that, but... Oh dear, who are you growling at? Lola, don't start your sister off, please. Lola starts it for no reason. Jasmine doesn't know what she's growling or barking at, but because Lola's doing it, she thinks she has to do it. So far, I think they're alright, to be fair. Ooh. One thing that I can't really comment on is sort of how much they damage your hair, because I can't really comment on that until I've used them for a while, and I don't straighten my hair enough, really, to be able to kind of know that, unless they literally just absolutely screwed your hair after 1 or 2 uses. Still a bit wavy. It's doing the job, you know. Doing the job. I'm not sure if it's getting rid of the frizz. I feel like it's still quite, it looks quite dry. And when I use like my regular straighteners, it tends to look a lot healthier after I've straightened it, because it just looks less frizzy. Don't know what I'm saying. I'm proper sweating, it's really hot. It's quite kinky, this piece here, so I can't wait to try this out on my mum's hair. I've seen that new Dyson, the new Dyson straightener, and I really, really want it, but there's no way in hell I'm getting it. I got the Dyson hairdryer, did get that. There's no way I'm buying the bloody £400 hair straighteners or whatever they are. No way. Dyson, if you want to send them to me to test out, that's absolutely fine. But I cannot afford to be spending that much money on some hair straighteners. And because I don't even straighten my hair much anyway, it just would not be feasible for me to. So these bits here, like I've gone over them quite a few times and I can still quite clearly see kinks in my hair. I don't think I'm super impressed with these, if I'm being honest. And I have to say, I wasn't expecting to be at all. They are straightening the hair a little bit, but like even there, like you can still see it's quite frizzy and kinky. I just think for the price, they're not terrible, because, I mean, people, like, your GHDs are what? 200 plus? These were £10. So I feel like if you were just going to get some straighteners for maybe your daughter, because she's wanting to start straightening her hair, and you're happy for her to start straightening her hair at whatever age she would be. Did I just get an electric shock there? Sorry, the dogs are just bloody bad. Jasmine, I'm trying to film! I mean, it has just kind of, look, can you see that there though? It's like, really still quite kinky. What are you doing? I'm not going over it a million times. At the end of the day, either it works or it doesn't. Like, you do not want to be having to go over your hair with hot irons over and over again. It's really just not worth that. I actually genuinely do wish I had another pair of straighteners now to do like a comparison. But okay, I'm not going to keep going over my hair because it's really not good for it. So that is that side of my hair straightened, kind of. So let me come back a bit so you guys can see that. It's taken me nearly 15 minutes just to do that half of my hair, and I don't think it looks any less frizzy. What do you guys think? Yeah, it probably does a little bit, to be fair. It does look a little bit less frizzy and a little bit flatter. It has worked. It has worked, but obviously nowhere near as good as a normal pair of straighteners. I think in terms of getting rid of frizz, it's not amazing. But I've got a feeling when I try it on my mum's hair, we're going to be more impressed with it. It's definitely, this side is definitely smoother than this side. 100%. So yeah, I think for the price, I don't hate them at all. But if you want to see how these straighteners work on like actual curls rather than getting rid of frizz, I don't think they did an amazing job at getting rid of the frizz. My hair looks in pretty bad condition, and I do tend to feel once I've straightened it that it doesn't look as in bad condition. But let's see how it does actually just straighten out curls in hair. That will be part 2, and it will be sometime after this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you're excited for part 2, and let me know if there's anything else you want me to do like a testing video on. I really want to do more testing videos, so let me know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.